How to fix Instagram Reels audio unavailable on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First open Play Store and then make sure your Instagram is updated and then go to settings and then apps and apps again, and here you will find Instagram. Click on it, click for stop and then go to storage and clear cache. And now just go back and restart your phone and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and that's it. Go back and try again, and if you have an iPhone, just go to settings, general, and then iPhone storage and search for Instagram. Click on it, click offload, and that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.